Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we are going to practice English together with a 15-minute shadowing session designed to improve your pronunciation, fluency, and speaking confidence. I will say each sentence first, and then it will be your turn to repeat after me. As you shadow, pay close attention to my pronunciation, rhythm, stress, and intonation. Don't just listen, speak out loud and try to copy the way I say each sentence. Remember, fluency comes from practice, not perfection. The more you repeat, the more natural English will begin to feel. By the end of this session, you will have strengthened your speaking skills and taken another step towards sounding more natural and confident in English. Let us get started.
They hide from the rain under a tree. They hide from the rain under a tree. She hides her face shyly. She hides her face shyly. He hides the surprise carefully. He hides the surprise carefully. I share my lunch with my friend. I share my lunch with my friend. You share useful ideas during meetings. You share useful ideas during meetings. We share the same classroom. We share the same classroom. They share food with their neighbors. They share food with their neighbors. She shares her books with classmates. She shares her books with classmates. He shares funny stories at dinner. He shares funny stories at dinner. I choose fresh fruit at the market. I choose fresh fruit at the market. You choose a seat near the window. You choose a seat near the window. We choose different colors for the room. We choose different colors for the room. They choose the fastest route. They choose the fastest route. She chooses her clothes carefully. She chooses her clothes carefully. He chooses simple words when speaking. He chooses simple words when speaking. I save money every month. I save money every month. You save important files on your computer. You save important files on your computer. We save time by leaving early. We save time by leaving early. They save water during summer. They save water during summer. She saves old photos in a box. She saves old photos in a box. He saves part of his salary. He saves part of his salary. I repeat the sentence slowly. I repeat the sentence slowly. You repeat the question clearly. You repeat the question clearly. We repeat the lesson together. We repeat the lesson together. They repeat the song many times. They repeat the song many times. She repeats the instructions carefully. She repeats the instructions carefully. He repeats the story to his friends. He repeats the story to his friends. I carry a bottle of water everywhere. I carry a bottle of water everywhere. You carry your lunch in a small bag. You carry your lunch in a small bag. We carry chairs into the meeting room. We carry chairs into the meeting room. They carry wood for the fire. They carry wood for the fire. She carries shopping bags from the store. She carries shopping bags from the store. He carries his jacket on his shoulder. He carries his jacket on his shoulder. I wave to my neighbors every morning. I wave to my neighbors every morning. You wave at the children happily. You wave at the children happily. We wave goodbye at the station. We wave goodbye at the station. They wave their hands during the concert. They wave their hands during the concert. She waves from the balcony. She waves from the balcony. He waves to his friends across the street. He waves to his friends across the street. I knock on the door softly. I knock on the door softly. You knock before entering the office. You knock before entering the office. We knock on the window carefully. We knock on the window carefully. They knock loudly during emergencies. They knock loudly during emergencies. She knocks on her friend's door. She knocks on her friend's door. He knocks twice before entering the room. He knocks twice before entering the room. She returns the keys to the owner. She returns the keys to the owner. He returns home very late. He returns home very late. I practice speaking English every day. I practice speaking English every day. They carry boxes into the building. They carry boxes into the building. She carries a basket full of apples. She carries a basket full of apples. He carries his son on his shoulders. He carries his son on his shoulders. I watch the sunset from my window. I watch the sunset from my window. You watch cooking videos online. You watch cooking videos online. We watch the children play outside. We watch the children play outside. They watch the game together every weekend. They watch the game together every weekend. She watches the road carefully while driving. She watches the road carefully while driving. He watches the news every evening. He watches the news every evening. I enjoy hot coffee in the morning. I enjoy hot coffee in the morning. You enjoy talking with your friends. You enjoy talking with your friends. We enjoy peaceful evenings at home. We enjoy peaceful evenings at home. They enjoy traveling during holidays. They enjoy traveling during holidays. She enjoys painting in her free time. She enjoys painting in her free time. He enjoys learning about history. He enjoys learning about history. I wait for my turn patiently. I wait for my turn patiently. You wait near the school entrance. You wait near the school entrance. We wait for the rain to stop. We wait for the rain to stop. They wait outside the restaurant. They wait outside the restaurant. She waits for her friend after class. She waits for her friend after class. He waits quietly at the airport. He waits quietly at the airport. I listen to soft music before bed. I listen to soft music before bed. You listen carefully during the lesson. You listen carefully during the lesson. We listen to the teacher quietly. We listen to the teacher quietly. They listen to podcasts while traveling. They listen to podcasts while traveling. She listens to her favorite singer every day. She listens to her favorite singer every day. He listens to the sound of the rain. He listens to the sound of the rain.
Excellent work today! You just completed a full 15-minute English shadowing session. For the last 15 minutes, you have trained your pronunciation, rhythm, listening skills, and speaking confidence, all essential elements for building real fluency. Remember, fluency comes from consistent practice, not perfection. Every time you repeat and shadow English, you strengthen the speaking habits that make English feel more natural and automatic. For best results, come back and practice this lesson again tomorrow. Repetition is what turns knowledge into fluency. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel for more English shadowing and speaking practice. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. And when you are ready, click on the next lesson and continue building your English skills. Keep the momentum going, and I will see you in the next video.